As leader of the Sovereign, I took umbrage to being subjugated under Kang's rule and launched an attack against his forces. But we were no match for him, and each of our remote-controlled drones was shot down. What irks me most about this is that some of the drones are damaged but still online, meaning anyone who happens upon them could steal Sovereign technology. I need you to find and destroy them, so this does not happen. A wise decision. While the drones are no longer emitting a tracking signal, we are still receiving the visual feed from each. Use this to pinpoint their locations.
I must protect my people in this strange new world.
Detected a crime pretty close to you. Hey, when...
Do not think to steal the technology for yourself. We may have suffered a defeat, but I still advise against defying the Sovereign.
Make way for the Star-Spangled Man with a Plan.
All systems engage. Okay, let's show them what we got.
I've been catching up on things I missed while I was in that box. I'm particularly enjoying this new rap music.
Why is this
Why do bad guys never seem to understand the concept of personal space?
Now that's what a real hero looks like.
Midgardians interested in the cuisine of Asgard? I dared not dream I would survive to see such a day.
Dignified. I'm in. Yay!
Yes, quite.
The bad guys sure are keeping us busy. Can you take care of the incident near you?
To buy cake.
You've completed your task. Allow me to thank you properly. It seems congratulations are in order. With our technology no longer littering the streets of Chronopolis, the Sovereign can regroup and plan our next assault on Kang. What? You didn't think we'd allow this to stand, did you? Kang must pay for this insult. But I see that you already work towards stopping him. In return for your assistance, I will aid your cause in whatever way I can.
Yay! Oh, sorry. That didn't sound dignified. I'm in. Yay!
I'll play some Hexagon Blitz in my brain. Just a little bit, though. If I spend another 2-hour lunch lost in the Hexagons, the boss is gonna blitz me.
tarnation they go? Where in tarnation they go?
Oh boy! We got ourselves a real curly wolf here! Hopefully I won't run into anything too stressful.
Hulk is the strongest one there is!
Much obliged, partner.
That ought to make the streets a little safer.
Kind stranger, can you help us?
It's all right. We're here to help. It's all right. We're here to help.
He is calm. Thank you, kind stranger. He enjoyed that. Here, as thanks.
Hello? Is anybody there? Get us out of here!
Maybe this is for super advanced hero type power stuff.
I told you we shouldn't have come to this place.
How was I supposed to know we'd get robbed and locked up by bandits?
I've noticed a number of people complaining that the roads in Chronopolis are a bit of a mess. Yet, no one seems to mention all the centuries-old pyramids I brought over in one piece. Just saying.
Wonder if that bug fella ever managed to tame his funny-looking buffalo.
Are you here to save us?
Finally, I'm so done with this dusty old place.
You don't... We're free! Oh, thank you. Please, you have to let me give you something. Here!
Here comes the Spider-Man of the past.
Seriously? This kind of thing would never happen in Nueva York.
We were both captured by evil villains in at least 3 different scenarios.
What am I in for today?
The immortal Iron Fist is ready to face any challenge. Such a valuable item. I must protect it at all costs.
An interesting item.
My family's counting on me. I know I can do this.
I have no idea how that happened. Thanks, true believers. Excelsior!